Yesterday I made a video about Venezuela, about the holes in the visual satellite images. And I wanted to show you that it's continuing. It's a continuing thing. It's happening again today. And here is the second hole in central Venezuela. The first hole is not showing because there's really no clouds there. But the second one is over a mountain range. And you can see it at 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, August 11th. And then at 12:15, here is the third hole that appears over western Venezuela. And I'll go ahead and loop it through. Yeah, maybe not. Sometimes it does not work when I'm trying to record this for some reason. So we'll go backwards. Here is 11:15 before the second hole appears. There it appears. Now at 12:15, the one on the west appears. And then they move on to Colombia. I'll show you a close-up of the second hole right here. It's right here. It's not really a hole this time. It looks more like shrapnel or something. I'll zoom in a little more. And zoom back out. One frame afterwards. Not yet, it's still redrawing. There it goes. One more frame afterwards. Looping back again. It's funny, little square things show up. I'm not sure what that is as it's trying to redraw. There's the second hole. And now we'll go look at the third hole. It's right here. I'll zoom in on that. And this isn't as clear as yesterday either. It's again, it's like something smattered it or something. And I'll show you here on the COD satellite. Here's the second hole right here. Here's the third hole right here. And that's at 16:15 August 11th GMT time. And I'll go ahead and let this loop through really fast. You're going to again see there's no hole coming out of Russia, but there's one that appears above northern Alaska. The one above Canada is just a white area, and then you'll see them arcing across here once again, kind of following this cloud pattern that's already existing. And here it goes. I'll slow it down. There's the one above Alaska. Now it's coming around Venezuela. 1, 2, 3. I'll go ahead and stop it. I want to show you. I'll zoom in on it so you can see. There it is. See if I can get the time showing at the same time. So it's 15:45 is right there over central Venezuela. And next frame is 16:15. It's right there. And notice that this diagonal line, which I'm going to go back and show you here, that going backwards now. Second hole, third hole, and notice here's that third hole right here. Notice it's right above this diagonal line. I'm going to show you on Google Earth something else I found in this area, and this is the area where the third hole typically appears. I know I didn't show you first, but we can't see it today. So here's Venezuela, and here's that diagonal. And so if I zoom in, here's something that I've been finding where I see strange things happening in radar, and I don't understand what it has to do with it, but in any case they keep appearing. So here is the longitude latitude if you want to go look yourself. And earlier I was able to access a previous date where the map was a little clearer, but for some reason right now I cannot. And we'll see if it'll let me zoom in here. And this I found in Canada, and I found it in several places in the United States. And that is 120-degree lines that cross. And they're kind of throughout this area. And if you go looking, you'll find more, but I just identified one here. So we didn't have to be so tedious about it all. And there it is right here. For no obvious reason. It's not like a fenced area because it's not a box. And there doesn't appear to be any roads there that go anywhere. So this is just something that I run into again and again. Now one of these could be a fence line, but the other one, I don't know, clearly is not in my book. Anyway, that's it. Thanks.